The perfect starter for any wireless doorbell user. Kit contains 2 wireless doorbell transmitters and 2 plug-in smart doorbell receivers, double-sided mounting tape, anchors, screws, and a 23 battery included. Sleek, modern LED indicator lights illuminate both transmitter and receiver and can be set at 4 volume settings, from low for nap time to high during a party. Our extensive color selection means you'll find the right doorbell push button to suit your style. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Smart Doorbell Ring Chime System. Multiple doorbell receivers can be configured to ring with different door chimes or ringtones to let you know which transmitter was triggered. Number 2. Unlike imitation door chimes for homes that stop working after months or even days, the SadoTech door chime is the real deal. Featured on QVC, Fox, ABC, NBC and CBS News, our patented design uses only the highest quality microchips and electronics for long-range wireless and even longer battery life. Avoid the disappointment and frustration of other doorbell chimes and enjoy the flexibility our doorbell button creates. It's built well, and it has a nice minimalist style. Business Insider. Number 3. Pairs and connects easily for quick, frustration-free installation anywhere in your home. While other doorbells wireless is difficult to set up or don't work consistently, doorbells by SadoTech extend over 1000 ft of range in open areas and are proven to work through doors and walls. Great for large homes, apartments, offices and warehouses. And with a battery life of up to 3 years, you'll never miss a chime. Use as door chime for business when entering or classroom doorbell for teachers. Number 4. Build the ultimate smart doorbell system. With multiple wireless doorbells, you can configure each door with a different chime or ringtone. Know exactly which door your visitors are calling from. For homes or offices with multiple entry points, this is convenient and time-saving. You'll soon wonder how you lived without it. And unlike some other doorbell wireless, this doorbell by SadoTech is truly waterproof and weatherproof to -4 degrees Fahrenheit, 140 degrees Fahrenheit for a system that lasts for years to come. Number 5. Our patent-pending sound chip holds the largest selection of classy, high-quality ding-dong chimes, no, tinny, annoying ringtones. With 52 total ringtones at 4 volume levels, you'll feel good knowing our Ring Chime memory chip stores your chosen doorbell chime selections even when unplugged or turned off. Listen for yourself. Just scroll down to the technical specs section below and click the specification sheet link to download the PDF. Open the PDF and play all ringtones. Number 6. At SadoTech, our goal is to provide innovative, high-quality products at a price everyone can afford. Quality is key. We love that our products bring added security, control and peace of mind to you, our customers. Need spare batteries, extra add-on buttons, receivers, sensors or a customized doorbell button? If, for any reason, you don't love your wireless doorbells by SadoTech, reach out and we will make it right. And so much more. Some common questions. Question number 1. How long does the battery last on the transmitter? Answer. It can last up to 6 months to 1 year depending on the amount of usage. Question number 2. How long does the transmitter's battery last? What kind of battery is needed to replace it? Answer. With normal usage, say about 4 to 5 button presses per day, it should last 1 year. It works with a 12 volts 23A battery. Question number 3. Is the motion sensor waterproof? Answer. No, it is not waterproof. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.